Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the game-changing world of AI video editing. If you've ever spent hours tweaking your footage, you know how time-consuming and complex video editing can be. But guess what? AI tools are here to revolutionize the game and make video editing accessible to everyone. Imagine starting with raw footage and transforming it into a cinematic masterpiece with just a few clicks. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it kind of is. Let's delve into the world of AI video editing and see how it can dramatically elevate your content creation. First stop, demystifying AI editing tools. Platforms like Runway and Adobe Sensei are leading the charge. These tools can handle tedious tasks like color grading, object removal, and noise reduction all on their own, giving you more time to focus on your creative vision. Plus, they're smart enough to analyze your video and suggest optimal transitions, pacing, and even music choices. Now, let's get hands-on. We'll use a popular AI video editing platform and some real footage to show you the magic in action. Watch as the AI automatically enhances video quality, adds special effects, and creates compelling sequences. It's like having a personal editing assistant who never gets tired. But wait, there's more. Beyond basic editing, AI can do some seriously advanced stuff. Think unique animations, virtual sets, and video manipulations that were once unimaginable. And it doesn't stop there. AI tools can even analyze audience engagement and provide insights on what works best for your videos. Imagine having all that power at your fingertips. Curious about the future? AI is at the forefront of video editing innovation. Picture creating immersive virtual reality experiences or professional-grade videos with just a few taps on your phone. However, as with all powerful tools, there are ethical considerations to keep in mind. The potential for misuse in video manipulation is real, and it's something we need to be mindful of. All right, that's a wrap for today. AI video editing is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency in your projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, AI can help you create stunning videos that captivate your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let's harness the power of AI and take our video editing to the next level. See you next time.